Chinese cooking is really famous in Japan. It's called chuka ryori, where a Japanese cook cooks Chinese dish, while chuka ryori is cooked by the Chinese. There's a difference between it. The difference is that chuka ryori is delicious. It's a fact that try some restaurants that's owned by two old Japanese couple cooking Chinese food versus Chinese couple cooking Chinese food. I love China. I love Chinese food and culture. Their leader is also wholesome. I love their leader. Their leader is also wholesome. So wholesome that he supported Disney by looking like Winnie the Pooh. Enough talking and start cooking. Well, since it's summer, I hate summer, I'll start sweating, and sweating in the kitchen is very unhygienic. So, let me get my anti-sweat outfit. Here are the ingredients: oyster sauce, sesame oil, pepper, salt, green pepper, bean sprouts. You can replace bean sprouts with carrot, pork. You can replace this with beef, shrimps, sweet chili sauce, tofu or fried tofu in this case, garlic, onion, ginger, liver, green onions. This thing is a Chinese-based stock, and you're a will to cook. Since we're cooking Chinese food, you also need two important things: speed and high firepower. You got an electric stove? You already can't cook Chinese. It's the firepower of the gas stoves that produces the best flavor. So if you don't have a gas stove, go get one. You also need to prepare the ingredients. Cut the onions into tiny pieces and rough sizes, garlic into tiny pieces or shredded, pepper and pork into thin slices, ginger shredded, and make sure that you are prepared to cook. It's gonna get hot, so be prepared. Oh, silly me, forgot about the leek in the eggs. Leek roughly chopped, eggs raw, rice from overnight, not freshly cooked. Cook your tofu in a pan, or in my case in the grill oven. Make sure it's low heat. If it's high heat, you'll burn the tofu. You want to make sure that the heat will reach inside the tofu. Get your Chinese chicken stock or beef stock. This will be your salt. First, we're going to cook liver with leek. Season the pan, cook the liver. When the liver is fully cooked, add a bit of stock, add your leek, soy sauce, oyster sauce, taste. If it's a bit bland, add salt. Got a big plate? Perfect, we're gonna use it. First Chinese dish is done. Second, we're going to cook chao shou rou, or green pepper with steak. Make sure you're using a clean pan. Cook the meat. When the meat is fully cooked, add a bit of the stock, add some pepper, and then add the green pepper, bean sprouts. Also forgot about the bamboo shoots, thinly sliced. Like I said, if you don't have bean sprouts or bamboo shoots, replace it with thinly sliced carrots, or just add all of them, why not? Soy sauce, oyster sauce, taste. If it's a little bit bland, add salt. Reduce the liquid. Cook the vegetables until to your liking. Second Chinese dish is done.
Player 1, start.
Third dish is gonna be sweet chili shrimp. Clean the pan again, add the roughly sized onion and shredded ginger, cook it. Once it's cooked, add the shrimps and then add a bit of a stock, pepper, and then add the sweet chili sauce. Very simple dish. Then it's over. Third dish is done. Fourth dish, fried tofu. Don't clean the pan right now. Put it on a plate. Green onion on top, soy sauce, done. Fifth dish, fried rice, egg, scrambled, fried. Pepper, once the egg is cooked, put it on the plate. New oil, season the pan, add the rice, garlic, onion, and the ginger if you have any left. Cook it. Once the rice is fully coated in oil, add the egg. Cook about 30 seconds and then add some soy sauce. Once they're all coated in soy sauce, add the green onion as garnish. Cook about 30 seconds more, done. Sixth dish is simple, really. Soy sauce noodle soup. Make sure your stock is not really salty, forgot to tell you that. If it's too salty, you'll die of too many sodium in your body and you will experience a slow and painful death. This dish is really simple. Boil the noodles. In a bowl, prepare soy sauce. I don't measure stuff, so don't put a lot. Add the stock. Once the noodles are fully cooked, add them to the bowl. On top, some green onions, and you're fully done. You're done. They're all delicious. But how do they taste? That's the real question that you're asking, right? So, what's a soup? Soy sauce with Chinese stock. It's really good. It's simple, you know. Oh, fried rice. That with mixed with soup. Tofu is simple, but I really like it. It's a simple dish, you know, fried tofu, a bit crunchy outside, and some soy sauce. It's really good. I love tofu. How about the sweet chili sauce? It's good, sweet and chili. With the onion, a little bit crunchy. I still like it. The onion is sweet, not really bitter or anything like that. How about the liver steak? Well, before, well, it's really good. You know, I can taste the leek. Very good. Liver is also flavorful. Even with the ingredients, mainly soy sauce, oyster sauce, and the stock, they're all different tastes. They don't taste similar, like the pork and the vegetables, that kind of stuff. I think this dish is not really healthy, but I don't care. They all taste good. Sue me.
콜라보 치친카이 진짜 Off we go.
Thank you all so much for watching my stupid video. Another episode of Garbage Gure, I guess. But yeah. Sorry for not uploading a lot. I have been busy, but hey, at least new episode of me suffering in the bathroom. Haha, yada yada yada. But yeah. But thank you all so much for watching. If you come this far, you know, seriously, thank you. Thank you so much. If you enjoy my cuts and bloopers, that might be a members thing, but who knows? Who knows? But I don't activate the members thing yet, so yeah, we don't know. But seriously, yeah. If there's any correction for my cooking, let me know in the comments, and all the used music in this video will also be in the description box. There are only 2 songs. One is made by a blooper Japanese group member. They made their own blooper song of Super Shooter. The original music is much better. I'm telling you, go listen to it. And the boys, Homelander's music / Huey destroying his own room theme is by this amazing artist. And go check her out. They're awesome. She's really awesome. Her cover is really amazing. I know I didn't ask permission for this, but if you're, I'm sorry, but I don't got time. Sorry. If I did have the time, I just asked permission. But yeah. Anyways, seriously, thank you all so much for watching. I've just been busy, you know. It's just the passport stuff, you know, and running some papers for it, and a lot of stuff is going on in my life right now. But I'm not doing this for sympathy or any pity, that kind of stuff. I'm just saying that I've been busy a lot, and there are more videos coming up. There are a lot of projects. There's gonna be a video of John Cap playing Plague Tale with my reaction and commentary to it, and we make jokes together. There's also gonna be a Stray video of, you know, the cat video game. There's also gonna be maybe another movie review kind of stuff video. But like I said, I've been busy. It might take another week to upload another video, but this was it. The Garbage Gure is the fastest video for me to edit and post out. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful morning, evening, or afternoon, because I'm gonna go to work soon. Yes, I got a part-time job. I don't monetize my videos. Shut up.